invested in a dividend ETF that has been long standing in a great position among other ETFs? I don't know about you, but investors must know the histories of the dividends they are investing in. In fact, being familiar and knowing the dividend well will help us make the right decisions for it to be worth it in the long run. What's up everyone? If you've been a subscriber for quite some time now, you might already run into other dividend episodes where we feature different ETFs to help you in making the right investment. But in today's video, we'll be featuring one dividend company and what makes it so special among others. Well, that's for you to find out, so keep watching until the end to know more about it. But before we start the video, only a small percentage of people that watch our videos are subscribed. So, make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Now without further ado, let's jump right in. This very special dividend company we're going to talk about is none other than Hershey. The stock of Hershey has excelled in 2022, surpassing the general market by roughly 30% year to date. This outperformance is likely to continue in the foreseeable future. So to understand more about this company, we have provided 3 key reasons why it's considered one of the best. Now, let's begin. Number 1, its performance during low consumer confidence. As we know, consumer confidence, a leading economic indicator, is frequently used to forecast prospective shifts in consumer purchasing habits. Such actions may significantly affect the demand for enduring, optional, non-essential commodities. Companies in the consumer staples sector, on the other hand, are anticipated to be less impacted as a result of the relatively inelastic nature of consumer demand. In this case, we must examine how the stock price of HSY really changed throughout periods of low consumer confidence in order to set expectations about the firm's performance in such a setting. This graph shows these times as the red circles. Now the graph below shows how the stock price of HSY really changed throughout periods of low consumer confidence. When consumer confidence was low, HSY's shares significantly outperformed the overall market 2 out of 3 times. It's crucial to consider some of the current developments as a result. It's crucial to note that Pepsi highlighted that some of the COVID-induced trends, such as greater home snacking, are still having a favorable influence on their sales and financial performance earlier this month when they announced profits. Now for number 2, attractive valuation and dividends. The history of HSY paying dividends is solid. For the past 32 years running, the company has been giving its shareholders wealth back in the form of quarterly dividend payments. Additionally, during the past 13 years, the corporation has been able to raise these payouts annually. This is a remarkable number in our opinion, given that many businesses were compelled to reduce their dividend payments when the COVID pandemic's repercussions materialized in 2020. And lastly, now for number 3, Q2 earnings. Hershey Company released fantastic numbers earlier this week for the second quarter of 2022. A good sign that the firm's products are still in high demand and are even expanding despite low consumer confidence levels is the organic sales increase of 14.1% on a constant currency basis. The management's assumption that it's likely to continue for the remainder of the year is supported by the enhanced guidance for the remainder of the year. The following table lists the previous and present guidance. It's also important to remember that the high USD has affected numerous companies who sell their goods worldwide. On the other hand, Hershey makes the majority of its money in North America while marketing its goods globally. Because of this, we do not anticipate any significant currency rate headwinds in the foreseeable future. Hershey has surely proven track of outperforming its competitors during periods of low consumer confidence, making the company a desirable investment in the present volatile market climate. Dividend and dividend growth investors may find its stable, steady dividend payments at a fair price to be alluring. Well folks, that's about it for this amazing dividend company. As always, leave your thoughts in the comment section down below because I always love to hear them. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe as well for more to come. See you in the next one guys!